Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Moxy from the UglyDolls movie. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw Moxy, we're going to first start by drawing her head. So I'm going to come right here and draw a big curve for the top of her head. So I think it's kind of like a light bulb shape. That's how I like to see it. So right here, I'm just going to go all the way to the top. Kind of a flattened out dome. So there's a big curve all the way. And then from there, we're going to come in both sides. And then we're going to taper it in. So just start to bring it in on both sides. So before we finish that part, let's come up here in this corner right here and draw the little thing on her head. So about right here, I'll start with 1. So there's 3 of them. 2, it's like a little bow, I guess, for this ugly doll. So 3. So then from there, let's bring her to life. And so in this area where it's kind of the widest area, I'm going to come in here and draw a big circle for her eyes. Draw this area. Just draw a big circle. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So right here. And then right here in the center, I'm going to add another circle and give it a little highlight and shade it in. And same thing over here. So towards the inside right here, draw another circle and a highlight and shade it in. And then let's come out right here. We're going to draw 3 lashes. So I'm going to start with 3 of them, and then I'm just going to thicken them up to a point. So same thing over here. So 2 and 3. There. So have her eyes in. Now right underneath her eye, we're going to draw a soft smile. So it's kind of straight but with a slight curve. So I'll start say about right there, and I'll give myself another point on the other side so I know where I'm going. So I'm going to go ahead and connect these 2 dots with a very slight curve. You can cap it off if you like, the ends. And then about right here, I'll draw in 2 teeth. So it's just 2 U's connected. And then give it a little bit of space and come to the other side right here and draw another one. There. So then now let's work on her body. So I'm going to start on this side first. So we have this one arm that comes in, it's holding the heart. So I'll come in here with taper, give her a little neck area. And so then from there, I'm going to start to draw her arm. So I'm going to come right here and curve it out towards this area, and then right here I'm going to draw another curve to give her arm following the top curve and go up, and then right here let's draw her hand. So it's just one big curve for her thumb and then a fatter one for her fingers, and in. You can come in here if you like with 2 little lines. So then now let's draw this other hand. So I'm just going to give myself a little space because I know there's a heart right here. So I'll come down, say about where this other hand is in this area, and I'll start right under this and draw a thumb and fingers, and then just connect it, kind of like a very deep U, and 2 little lines there. So then now let's draw the heart that she's holding. So this is going to be the center of the heart, so I'll just give myself a little point right there, and I'll start on this side, go up towards her thumb, and the other side. Just bring it down, overlapped, so the Center be about right there. And go back up. There. Now let's come in here for some details. I'm just going to give it another inner heart. And if you like, you can give it some stitches right here. There's some lines right here on the heart. Okay, so now we're done with that part. Let's finish off the neck. So we're just going to connect it back. And then now to draw the body. So I'm going to come on this side, just about right here. I'll start, just draw a curve out. So about right here as well. And I'll start to bring it in. And connect it. There. Okay, so then now her for little feet. So I'm going to come about in this area. Very simple feet. Little curve and just bring it in. Same thing on this side. So about right here, centering. It's about that thick. And we're going to go draw the same thing on the other side. So curve it out. And connect. There. Okay, so then now let's finish off her hair. It looks kind of weird, right? She needs something right here. So in this area, we're going to draw her little pigtails. So it comes up with a curve, round it off, and bring it in. So same thing on this side. About this area. Come in, round it off, and connect it back. So there, hope I made this easy for you guys to follow along and you love this cute little character from the UglyDolls movie. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.